Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alexander Turnnbull from René at Paris and Aderans, and today I'm from home and I'm going to be doing some styling with you. And this wig right here is from the Alexander Couture Collection, and this is Lucy. I'll show you this colour. This is Irish Spice R. It's a very beautiful red, it's slightly rooted. We've got these gorgeous light highlights just running through, that really deep garnety kind of shade of red. Just looks very rich and wearable. This is Lucy in an Irish Spice R. Now Lucy is a monofilament cap on Lucy. So we have a monofilament cap, adjustable straps in the nape, and the rest of the cap is machine made. So as you know, if you watch any of my previous shows, I like to, give these wigs a bit of a shake, and bring it to life. Here's a medium length wig, Lucy, which I'm going to do some up styling on today. So just get her on the head. See, that's lovely, bouncy kind of blow dry. I'm just going to take a handful of bobby pins, you can see, and these are the medium brown bobby pins, so they are the closest match to the hair. And I don't need loads of these. I just need enough just to be able to make the hairstyle right. So I'm just going to pop those in my top pocket. First, I'm going to just grab some hair, like so, okay, at the crown. And I'm going to twist that round, and I'm just going to let that hair stick up. So we let the ends out. You can see. So far, so good. And then I'm going to build again just with my fingers, turning the hair all into the middle. So can you see what I'm doing here right now? Is I'm just gripping all of this hair into the back, and I'm letting the texture of Lucy do the work. Now Lucy already has this lovely blown out kind of texture, so I'm letting the ends do the work. So all I'm doing is I'm just pinning it into shape, and then we are going to have some flowers in here, some little flowers that I found, little flower grips. So give it quite a boho kind of vibe. So you see this kind of coming together, just throwing it up right now. So the idea of this style is not to look overdone. It wants to look nice and free. Need to get the sides up of Lucy's. See if we need to leave any from there. Don't think so. I think that looks nice all up. I'm just going to, if you notice, ladies and gents, when I do this, if this was on a person, we might tuck it behind the ear. Obviously it's a head, so the ears don't stick out as much as, like, say, a human person would. So just bearing that in mind that you might want to style it over the ear if you're conscious about your ears, or you might want to style it round your ear. Again, it's personal preference, but it's just about how secure you would put the grips in, if you like. So the technique doesn't change, just how secure you do it. So this is how it's looking from here. Now you're probably thinking, oh God, there's loads of hair out. I know, I know, bear with me. There is method in my madness, he says. And then, so I'm just going to take that hair, just put it slightly over the ear. Remember, I have a pocket full of bobby pins. So this is how she's looking from now on, okay? Just take her off the tripod a second so I can show you. So that's the hair, all falling out, little bits here, little bits there, which is exactly what I wanted for now. I have, let me show you, I have a load of these little flower clips. I'll show you one of the pink ones. Okay, so these flower clips are going to be worked within the hairstyle of Lucy. So just taking these little bits of hair, which were out of the way, and adding a flower clip, which you can just see poking through. Take another flower clip. So at this stage, you are building up your shape with the flowers. See, just those little bits of detail in there look fantastic. It's nice and fun way to wear your wigs. And sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, it's the more simple hairstyles that are the most effective, you know. And you saw this was really easy for me to put together. And yes, I am a hairdresser, but you know, it is very, very simple. Just make sure you have everything at your disposal, like the brushes and the grips and the bobby pins and all the stuff that you know we use as stylists. That was really cool. So there we have Lucy with a little flower up style. Just going to turn her back round again. What you can do now at this stage, guys, is just loosen it out. So you see, like, I'm opening, lifting it up at the nape a little bit, feathering some of the ends with my fingers. So just so you realise it's not too compressed. You know, you can have a little bit of looseness to this nice style as well. So what we did here was we gave her a little flower power inspiration, a little thrown up updo with like these lovely little clips in here, which just look really cool. And it's actually made Lucy look like she's got so much more hair, right? You know, she just looks like this absolute ton of hair, and you know, she's just a nice medium style. So there's Lucy with the flower power clips. And just wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Alexander Turnnbull at René Paris and Aderans. And if you've enjoyed what you've seen today, please let us know which you liked and what you might be trying at home. And if not, we will see you next time. So thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.